let's look at this. It says, starting from rest, when you are dealing with physics question, motion, when you see the word from rest, they are already giving you a tip that we are looking at u to be equal to 0, initial velocity. Okay? A Formula 1 car accelerates uniformly at 25, that is A, for 30 seconds, that is T. Okay? What distance? S is distance, S, that is X. Does it cover in the last 1 second of motion? That is T. 17 seconds of motion, that is T. What is the purpose of me assigning these symbols? Because in motion, we have 3 equations, which you should always know. If you like, memorize them. Is V as equals to U plus AT. Speed as equals to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared. Why V squared equals to U squared plus 2AS. These are very important equations you should have at the back of your mind. The next thing is, looking at this question, which of them should we use? As you can see, any of them we should use must have all these parameters. The first one, something is missing here, that is S. We cannot use U. The last one, something is missing, T. We cannot use U because T is here. What we can use is this S. S is here, U is here, T is here, A is here. So therefore, we are going to use what? The second one. Which says that what? S is equals to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared. Okay? Now, what distance does it cover in the last 1 second? In the last 1 second. But we are looking at 30 seconds. Last 1 second. Okay. If it was moving, this is the time. Let's say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 seconds. This is 29. This is 28. The last 1 second is this distance covered between 29th and 30th. Between 29 seconds and 30 seconds. Apply this formula, it means we are going to use 2 times. The distance is covered from here to here, that is from beginning to 30, minus from beginning to 29 to get this remaining one. Because if you don't include the beginning, we can't use the U because we need to use the U. Starting from rest, we can't drop this. You say, what are you saying? From beginning to... No. When you simply say this minus this. If you say this minus this, what was the speed at 29? The only speed we know, it was from rest, 0. So everything must be connected to the back. Therefore, the speed or whatever you want to calculate is at 30 at 29. From this to 30. So this is what we are looking for, the distance covered between this period. So therefore, we are going to say the distance we are looking at is the distance at 30 seconds minus the distance at 29 seconds. Okay? So first of all, let's get the distance at 30 seconds. So S at 30 seconds is equal to U from 0, that is from rest, 30, plus 1 over 2 multiplied by A. A is 25 multiplied by T, which is what? 30. Distance at 30 seconds. If you solve this now, you agree with me, is 0 plus, please note this is square. Okay? Now, if you come here, that is 25 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 30 over 2. So I will simply say this is equals to 25 times 30 times 30 over 2. I will stop here. I will go again for that of 29, which is 0 multiplied by 29 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 25, which is the acceleration multiplied by 29 square. At the end of the day, distance at 29 is, this will give us 0, 25 multiplied by 29 multiplied by 29 over 2. Now, the final answer is distance at 30 minus distance at 29. That is, what we are looking for is equals to 25 30 times 30 over 2 minus 25 29 times 29 over 2. You will agree with me 25 is common and 2 is also common. What is not common is this. Okay? So now, this will give us 25 over 2. This is 30 multiplied by 30. That is 900, 841. This will give us 25 over 2 multiplied by 59, because this will give us 59, okay? This will give us 1475 over 2 equals to 737.5 in meter. A meter. This is the final answer. This is not difficult. Okay? Not difficult. That is the last 1 seconds of motion. For this one, it says the 17 seconds. 17 seconds. All you have to do, connect it to the beginning. So from beginning to 17, say this 17. For this 17, to get it exactly, we must know that of 16. This is what we are talking about here. So we have to connect them to the beginning. Connect them to the beginning. Because this is the initial. The way we did this. So what I'm going to do now, I will allow you to solve this. You share the answer with us. The same process. First of all, you do for 17 the way you did for 30th. Then you do for 16 the way you do for 29th. Then you subtract and get your final answer. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Drop it in the comment section. Thank you.